Hi. Are you still using your personal photos and a simple profile photos for social media account and your work profile? It's time to get a brand new cool looking multi-style avatar for all your accounts. So let's get started. It required few of your different angle high quality clean background photos to build the beautiful avatars. A total of 10 clear and high quality photo as the example, and we are ready to go. You can provide photos set with different emotions and different pose. And set of straight looking photo, simple smiling photo, right and left side face photo, upper body photo and full body photo for better results. Check out the avatar example created using a simple photos.